My sweetness, your affirmation, zwine na vhudza zwone, is very important to your well-being. Zwine na vhudza zwone is very important ka u resista movie. What you do in the morning when you wake up, after you're done with everything that you're doing, getting ready for the morning, nichikodi preparero ya mshumoni, nikodi preparero ya chikoloni, nikodi preparera ya shopping, nikodi preparera wherever you want to go, nikodi preparera ya her doctor. What you do is you come na ima panda hachiboni, okay? Na ima panda hachiboni. Arani petrus na chiboni, you stand somewhere where you'll be able to visualize yourself. Ne? It's the one nyemene au na chiboni. So, arani abos na chiboni, ni bani petune, you'll be able to visualize yourself. So, what you do, ni mapanda hachiboni, na vhudza maifi ene anga haya. I am the best. I'm a victor. I am more than a conqueror. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. I am beautiful. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. You affirm. Na vhudza maifi avhuḓi. Na vhudza zwori anga kuliwi nungo. Na vhudza zwori inu musi ni tshi bva fhano na nungo ne wa muya wa vhugwala. You were not given a spirit of fear, but you were given the spirit of a sound mind. Na vhudza uri ne ndichi bva fhanoni, whatever I'm going to do, my hands are blessed. Na vhudza uri whatever I touch is blessed. Na vhudza uri chimwe na chimwe chine na vhea muhumbulo wanga khatsho tshi khou ḓo tshimbila nga nḓila ye nda plana ngatsho. Okay, what more do you do when you're standing in front of the mirror? You are going to have a laughing session. You are going to laugh at everything that is challenging you. You are going to laugh at anything that is telling you that you're small. So we will do that in another video. Ka video ya shiyo no khotebela.